In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep labels. Google Keep is a fantastic tool for organizing your thoughts, ideas, and reminders, and utilizing labels can really transform the way you manage information. So let's dive in and see how we can make the best use of this feature. First, head over to your Google browser. Begin by opening Google Keep. You can do this easily by clicking on the Google Apps icon, which you'll find in the upper right corner of your screen. This little grid is a shortcut to all your Google services. Once you click on it, simply select Keep from the drop-down menu. This will open up Google Keep and take you to your collection of notes. Now, let's add some labels to organize these notes more effectively. Start by selecting the note you want to organize. Open it and look for the three dots located in the top right corner. These three dots are your key to more options, so give them a click. A menu will pop up, and here you want to select Add Label. At this point you have a couple of options. If you've already created labels before, you'll see a list of existing labels. Simply choose the label or labels that fit best by clicking on them. This makes it simple to group your notes by themes or projects you are working on. If you need to create a new label, click on the Enter Label Name field. This will allow you to type in a new label name that's relevant to your current organizational needs. After typing your desired label, hit the Create button. Your new label is now part of your keeping arsenal. Once you've labeled a note, you can apply multiple labels if necessary. Just check the box next to each label name you want to assign to your note. This feature can be incredibly useful when a note relates to more than one theme or project. Now, to view all notes under a specific label, click on the label name itself. Doing this will display a curated list of all notes that contain that particular label, keeping everything nice and tidy. Alternatively, you can tap the main menu icon, those three stacked lines on the top left corner, and select the label from there. This method is especially useful if you're looking to quickly flip through labeled notes without backtracking to the main Google Keep interface. And there you have it, a complete guide to using labels in Google Keep. By effectively using these labels, you can maintain a cleaner, more organized digital workspace. That's it for today. Until next time, happy organizing.